All right, we're doing 7Q pure functions. This is by Brunholm, and 75% of the people like it. A function is pure when it always returns the same value given the same arguments. It doesn't update or depend on out-of-scope variables. Evaluation of the result does not cause side effects, mutations, or output. All right? We are given a function that is impure, and our job is to purify it. The function is, this function must return a new array where each value is itself plus 2 times the modifier, which is provided as the property of the options object. All right, and then here's basically it. All right, so right here, main thing we got to do here is it doesn't want us to change the original array. So what we're going to do is just clean this up a little bit, right? First, let's declare a variable. Let's get rid of this, because we don't even need this. Let's declare a variable result. So let result equal an empty array, all right? Let's change this I up to index, all right? Just so everybody knows what's going on. And then what else are we going to do? This needs to be changed to options.modifier. .modifier. Now it's accessible. And then the other thing is we could just, now that we've got this result thing, we can just say this. We can say result equals, result at index equals, and then we take index, put it right here, r at index plus 2 times options.modifier. Let's take this out of here and this out of here, and let's see what happens. Nope. Not to equal. Oh yeah, result. There we go. And there we go. All right, so basically we're going to loop through R, and we're going to put in at result at index, at the current index, we're going to put array at the current index plus 2 times options.modifier. Let's attempt to make sure we're good. All right, cool. And 6 milliseconds, that's how long this one took. Let's see if we can beat that with a one-liner, all right? So we're going to say const here, solution with an equal sign after that, and turn the rest of this into space arrow, all right? And for this one, we're going to use the map method, all right? And the map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array, all right? So here's array 1 and array 1 map, array 1 dot map, and then here's the element, and we're going to, each one of these elements, we're going to multiply it by 2 and then return the array that's been modified. Return a new array, I should say. So x times 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2, 8, 9 times 2, 18, 16 times 2, 32, and that's how that works, all right? And the syntax we're going to use is just map and then an element and then an arrow function, all right? So we're going to say r.map, we're going to say element, all right? And that's going to represent each and every one of the elements in array. And then we're going to say element plus 2 times options dot modifier. Just like last time. Let's see what happens. All right, good. 6 milliseconds. All right, well, this one is on the board right now. They tie, so I'm just going to submit this one. No big deal. And let's see, my solutions, best practice on this one. I also did this one on another one, but whatever. Best practice on both. How about that? And very much like this one, and we'll see you next time.